So, good afternoon once again, everyone. So now, let's go to the last topic of our course, which is the legal basis for parents and the development of community development. So, when we say legal basis for the parents and community development, it refers to the laws, policies, and regulations that support the active involvement of parent communities and education for child welfare. So before we I have a question. Why is it important to understand the laws guiding parents and the community's role in child development? Miss
Well, if by knowledge na mga anak na kay kasi na ay parents or community members na mga mo na galing ka okay ra ang child labor o physical punishment na grabe na galing tayo.
To train awareness mo and to know what to take action when it times na na mga nalapat regarding.
And also to also ensures the children's rights, equality of education, and the safe environment while promoting a collaboration between schools and families.
So also we want to ensure na community and school shares our responsibility to support students' well-being and education. Yes.
Also sa mga parents so ay kung sa iyong responsibilities and duties as mama or papa in terms of vision, health, or overall education. That it's important to understand the roles that parents and teachers it helps everyone to know their responsibility as Susan said and in supporting and children's growth and education. So it also promotes it promotes cooperation and to protect children's rights.
yes, so what you all share was correct also. In order for the parents and the community to be well aware of what are the policies and the acts that we need to know. So let's proceed to the first element.
Public Act 9155, Governance of Basic Education Act, Section 810, explicitly states that one of the responsibilities of school head is establishing school and community networks and encouraging the participation of teachers' organizations, non-academic personnel of public schools, and parents, teachers, community, and institutions.
So, this is act 9155 kay encourage the principal to make connection to sa community mo. For example, sa Brigada Eskwela. Una ka example ay sa akong discuss ni Sarah o ni Miss Farah. So last day, another example kay kanang mga kinahanglan i-help sa kanang school, kanang mga election. So muna ang kanang kikuan sa principal nga maayong tabang sa community ba?
Section 3 of the same act encourages local initiatives for the improvement of schools and learning centers and to provide the means by which improvements may be achieved and sustained.
So sa section 3 of the RA 9155, it encourage schools to develop local initiatives using community resources to improve and sustain education. So muna ka mga donation ka mga PTA officers, mga mama nga mag-donate o research fund, mga kanakuan ba sa barangay, donate o mga chairs sa mga schools na kuwangan ng mga kuwan ba, mga environment, mga gamit, things, yes, tables. Muna sa section 3 of the RA 9155. Next. What's 3? Please, right? Next.
Next daw.
Batas Pambansaan Bilang 232, otherwise known as the Education Act of 1982, Section 7 states that every educational institution shall provide for the establishment of appropriate bodies through which the members of the educational community may discuss relevant issues and communicate information and suggestions for assistance and support of school and for the promotion of their common interests. Representatives from each subgroup of the educational community shall sit and participate in these bodies, the rules and procedures of which must be approved by and duly published.
So there is a section 7 sa batas pambansang kaya kanang states that the batas pambansang ensures that schools create councils for open communication. So muling kato sa PTA kato sa mga mama mga kanang every month kay mag-discuss sila kung sa mga kinahanglan sa mga bata kung sa mga needs kanang kung kanang need pa sila sa health sa community. And then kanang here is an example. So, an elementary school board, student teachers, kana association or the PTA, no? Kanang they kanang monthly discuss sa mga kanang kuha needs sa students. And kanang kuha sila mga classroom equipments na need. And kanang magkuha sila og kanang mga malnourished ka bata. Magkuha sila feeding program. Yes. Any idea? So, wala? Next. Please. Next. Please read. They are.
Another law, Republic Act 8525 adopted the School Program Act also provides for school community partnership and allows private entities to assist a public school with their elementary, secondary, or tertiary in but not limited to the following areas: staff and faculty development for training and further education, construction of facilities, upgrading of existing facilities, provision of books, publication and other instructional materials, modernization of instructional technologies.
So before that, I have a question. Here's the question. What positive changes can happen when schools listen to the ideas and concerns of students, teachers, and parents? Please, Diana.
When schools listen sa mga
Students, parents,
ideas and concerns of students, teachers, and sa parents, it can foster a inclusive and supportive learning environment. For instance, if ang student can suggest o mga improvements sa mga school facilities, like i-repair ang mga damaged chairs, pwede na siya i-prioritize sa katong mga school administrators, making the school comfortable for learning. It fosters collaborative environment which will improve learning experiences at school culture. Create a healthy educational environment wherein most public schools don't have the necessities or resources like books or chairs or broken wire. So the private sectors or the private entities is they are encouraged to donate more lagi na sa mga learning materials sa mga estudyante, which is the most kaya sa mga crucial or needed sa mga students.
yes.
It address the needs of the students, especially sa school kay wala kayo ng water resource mo. Ang school kasi nang while sa mga parents pala, dapat na ako may na ay tanong mga ideas or tips. So, dapat ang school at ay follow ka kay mo ay kung kanang address sa needs sa mga bata. We can also create safe environment for the students to learn. So, wala na yung mga naging mga hindrance sa ilang learning. So, sa water. So, pwede sila lang. I-address nila ang na problem. So, kung sila ka ng mga water tanks, ina lang pala children na sa access sa water.
Yes, good. So, kanang sa sakto, your answers was all correct. So kanong explain ni Miss Digito kay mo na dili sa another law, the RA 8525 nga kanang they kanang kuan ba nang sorry? They kanang allow private companies to kanang share their kanang kuan resources to the public schools. For example, kanang sa kuan ng businesses, they kanang kuan kanang share their knowledge with the students ko kung saan kanang mga kanang ways kung saan pag kanang pamaligya kung saan pag kanang kuan sa akong sa entrepreneurship diya sa meron na kanang sa grade 12 they immersion ato pag immersion nato pag grade 12 right kanang katong sa local communities ta ay ano to kamo basta from my experience kay gipang kuan dito kanang ang among immersion kay barangay. So kanang day kanang kuano with the initiatives nga kanang oy ani dinhi kay kanang kuan. We want the students to learn something nga kanang kuan ba nga kanang experience life experience sa isa. Next.
Maybe the best education for all or facilitate that in addition of holistic program for home reform that aim to improve the quality of education for every Filipino by end 2015. Likewise, the school shall continue to harness global resources and facilitate involvement of every sector of community in the school improvement process.
Yes, so this kanang kuan na may 2015 plan aim to improve the basic education by encouraging schools to use local resources and involve the community in development effort. So kanang sa kanang mga kuan, local resources hindi sa ato atin mga local resources na pwede magamit sa mga estudyante. 10. Example lang 10. Ha? Yes, 10. Another.
Mga shares, tables,
Yes.
mga
Mga local resources na pwede ma-donate sa kanang what ba ng public schools. The other. Mga local resources na pwede ma-donate sa school. Spencer. Nakay ba? Idea? Oh.
Book standard.
Yes. Book stand para sa mga
trabaho na sa every parents may
Show.
nasa lahat na ipahinga mo sige naging sa meeting na ako sa ilabot ang gani
yes.
kanang kuhan parang lang mo ilabot gani na parang may makita sa mga bigwan ba dili na bigwan na nagkakamot sila kapatid sila sa kusilin mo yung bigwan sa kaya na sa people ng Pilipino gani
Yes, so they can from the same country. And so easy access, no? For the next. Sige. Hindi na lang kung magpapakain.
Our mission must be more outreaching, more inclusive, and just involving government, non-government agencies, but all stakeholders.
So education requires a strong, committed, and inclusive approach involving government, private sectors, and the community to drive lasting improvements. No, example, we have school organizers, regardless whether our teachers, parents, and local business work together to repair classrooms and donate supplies, creating a better learning environment. This is our vision kung ano nga dapat ang mga kanang private communities kay mo help sa schools and the schools should help the community to improve so they can improve one another. So next. Please read.
The Public Act of 155 states that partnership between schools and community also ensures that educational programs, projects, and services take into account the interests of all members of the community. Section 3.
So educational program should consider the interests of the community. No, schools should develop programs that address the specific needs and priorities of the community. For example, kaya ka na mga disaster-prone areas nga mga communities. So, the school integrate the disaster preparedness and the first aid kit training for its curriculum. Kaya, sa naman mga kailangan i-consider ba kung sa mga Next is
The school learning centers reflect the values of the community by allowing teachers or learning facilitators and other staff to have the flexibility to serve the needs of all learners.
Yeah, so schools should respect and incorporate local culture and traditions while ensuring learning accessible to all students. So, for example, na ako mga kanang taga-bukid nga ng eskwela, kanang ilang i-adjust on time pa, so dili kanang sa learning facilitators and other staff have flexibility to serve. Next, please. This way na.
Local representatives for the improvement of schools and learning centers are encouraged in the means by which these improvements may be achieved and sustained are provided great. So schools and communities function better when they work as a team.
Yes, no, so schools should encourage and support community-driven projects that enhance education. Sorry. For example, parents and barangay officials will bring water collection system for katong kanang kuan explaining Miss Cabrera nga kanang mga parents kay mag-build ng kanang water kanang kuan rainwater collection system na para dito makakuha ang mga bata ba dili na magkanang kuan sila. So I have a question. What are the benefits of having a school community where students, teachers, and parents can share their ideas and concerns?
It fosters collaboration and improves transparency and it also improves basta na collaboration ka ng programmer kanya ang mga concerns especially sa mga parents. Maybe dili tanan ba ka ng program view at least ka ng nailay talaga ni kanang podcast ba?
Yes. Next question. Yes, another. The question is, what are the benefits of having a school community where students, teachers, and parents can share their ideas and concerns? Yes.
So, school committee mo ay
Community. Yes, community. Community. Yes. Ako balik ko na, what are the benefits of having a school community?
community promotes transparency and collaboration. So instead of
Sorry, community. That's community.
Committee.
Committee. So, committee. Sorry.
Among the committee, instead of the school head deciding alone, I share decision making, no?
Yes.
So that's feeling empowered, you have like voice. Yes.
Oh.
Teachers can suggest educational improvements while parents can raise concerns sa child feeling and kung inanin kay mas productive o inclusive ang decision leading to a better environment.
Yes, this is love.
It helps everyone it helps everyone work together and make the school better gani para gani masolve ang problem at issues sa ato sa schools na kanang sa school. For example, ang teacher naka-notice gani sa student nga dili kay pa mubasa tapos kanang nagpakuan siya og kanang reading program gani yung ipakuan
Yeah.
Oto na ang katong ang kasi nagsibilangan kay nagpa-follow, yes.
Another. Special ka. What are the benefits of having a school community? School community. Yes.
So having a small community, students and parents to
Teachers.
teachers also improving decisions, solve problems, and students also we create more supportive and
Yes, yes.
so meeting para mga suggestions, mga concerns sa mga parents and then mawata nila o kanyang
Another. Wala na. So thank you for listening everyone.
Yes.
That was